Come in and check out my Uber. Look how amazing. Hey guys, just got to JFK, checked in TSA pre-check. I love that shit. Gonna head to LA now with ASICS. So follow along. Food before the flight. LA with ASICS. Let's go get my luggage. Just got to Ace Hotel, now I'm gonna check in. Haven't stayed here before. I've heard good things. I found my room. It was a little hard to find and spooky. Let's go in. I already put my luggage in, of course. So look. Of course, Ace is very tiny, like New York. But I'm okay. Welcome, Wendy. My favorite honey me ice cream. This is like real honeycomb. It's so good. My gift bag and gift box. I'll open it once I get to the room. Just got back to the room. ASICS gave me 2 packages for tonight's run and tomorrow. So look at this box. It looks really cool with the artwork. Lunchtime. I've been waiting for this in and out. Excited. Embarking in our adventure now. Run for adventure with ASICS. So I'm a little huffing and puffing already. Did a quick run already. I'll come back in later.
You're going up and I need a favor of you. Listen, my girlfriend is waiting. Well, she's not my girlfriend. It's a blind date. But I hope she's become my girlfriend. So she's up there and I need to send her like flowers, a big surprise. So you're gonna send her this. Up. Keep looking up. She's very tall. You cannot miss her. Off you go. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Sorry.
Once upon a time, the Great Spirit called the animal people together.
Wow, I'm not used to having visitors on the night shift because it's against the rules, laws, federal laws. But I'll make an exception. But you have to be very quiet, stay close to me, and never give up. Is that clear?
Okay. Pick a hand. You have chosen. This is your room. Do you? You're okay.
Scared me.
Come on. Come on. I've been waiting. Come on. Come on. Come on in. Watch your feet. And watch your head. Sit down.
The code! Give me the code!
What was the code?
Now I know y'all got a code on ya! Somebody has. I'm just playing, y'all. I got the code. Don't worry about it. Ooh, y'all get so anxious over here, so nervous. Ain't no need to be nervous when you bring in some gifts. Give me your hand. Why, thank you. So seeing as how we all friends and whatnot, we having all these hard talks and we giving each other gifts, maybe you can help me understand something that I'm having a little bit of trouble understanding. See, I'm having part of understanding with what this is. Or this, or these, or any of these. Where is she? Where's my money?
LA chapter breakfast. The boiling crab. I love this place. Dinner! Boiling crab, one of my favorites in LA. Yum. I wish they had this in New York, but I'd probably be sick of it if it's in New York, right? Uber, and this is my Uber. Crazy. Come in, check out my Uber. Look. There's handcuffs.